How to change the color profile of a document in Clipstudio. After creating your document, go to View, and in the last option of the tab, click on Color Profile, then on Preview Settings. By default, every illustration file will be in sRGB. In Profile for Preview, you will find several color profile options. Select the one you need for your work. For example, we're going to change it to Adobe RGB 1998. You can check the color profile and other file data up here. Make sure to make this change at the beginning of your work, or it could result in color losses and potentially compromise the entire piece depending on the profile change. If you are printing, always use CMYK, and if necessary, check with the printing company you're hiring to see what profile is appropriate. Don't forget to double check the profile is selected when exporting the finished file. I hope this information is helpful. See you next time, travelers.